Welcome to the best picks. The best 1998 GMC Sierra Headlights is probably one of the most important safety features of your truck, and choosing the right replacement can be a game changer. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 1998 GMC Sierra Headlights, exploring various options, comparing features, and ultimately helping you find the perfect fit for your vehicle, ensuring optimal nighttime visibility and a safer driving experience. We will cover everything from brightness and longevity to ease of installation and overall value. Number 5. AKKON GMC Headlights Set. Upgrade your 94 to 99 GMC truck or SUV with this stunning headlight set. It's a direct replacement, giving your vehicle a refreshed, modern appearance. This complete set is 100% brand new and comes ready to install. It includes everything you need for a seamless upgrade. These headlights are specifically designed for 94 to 99 GMC full-size trucks, Suburbans, and Sierras. They won't fit Chevy models. Installation is typically straightforward, a direct bolt-on replacement. However, professional installation is recommended for optimal results. The set includes 8 pieces: headlights, corner lamps, and bumper signal lamps. Please note that light bulbs are not included, reuse your existing ones. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 90-day limited warranty from the delivery date. No installation guide is included. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a complete headlight upgrade. It's designed for a straightforward installation process, saving you time and effort. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this is a great option. Number 4. Spec-D GMC C10 Headlights. Give your classic GMC C10 a modern look with these stunning headlights. They're a direct replacement, making installation a breeze. These headlights are specifically designed for 1994 to 1998 GMC C10, Sierra, Suburban, and Yukon models. Ensure a perfect fit and seamless integration. They meet all DOT and SAE compliance standards, providing you with peace of mind and legal operation. They're built to last. It's a direct bolt-on replacement for your old headlights. No extra wiring or modifications are needed, though professional installation is recommended. These headlights are waterproof, impact-resistant, and UV-resistant, ensuring they'll withstand the elements and look great for years to come. You'll receive a brand new pair, in original packaging, ready to transform your truck's appearance. We guarantee it. What we like. These headlights are built to withstand the elements and last. They're rigorously tested to ensure they're waterproof and resistant to damage from the sun. If you need reliable, long-lasting headlights, this is the choice for you. What people say. They fit great. Love everything about them. They come with headlights, even the bulbs, blinkers, and side blinkers. Those don't though, but they look pretty good just with the factory bulbs. I might go LEDs, but it's a pretty good look. Really impressed with the value for the money. Got my pop's old work truck able to light the road again and looks good. Very nice quality. Adds beautiful detail to my dad's truck. Number 3. GMC Sierra Headlight Assembly, 94 to 98. Upgrade your 1994 to 1998 GMC Sierra, C10, Suburban, or Yukon with these superior headlights. They offer a perfect fit and significantly improved visibility. These headlights are designed for a precise fit, just like the originals. Installation is simple and requires no modifications. Experience dramatically improved nighttime visibility. The high transmittance PC lens with UV coating ensures superior clarity and durability. Installation is a breeze. Simply plug them in, no extra tools or modifications are needed. These headlights are IP65 certified, meaning they're completely watertight. Drive safely, rain or shine. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime service guarantee. We're here to answer any questions you may have. What we like. Experience a significant improvement in visibility with these headlights. Their design ensures a perfect fit and simple installation. If you prioritize enhanced visibility and a hassle-free upgrade, these are perfect for you. What people say. Fast shipping with a perfect fit. I replaced the original 1996 entire headlight blinker assembly, and it has been an amazing upgrade to visibility as well as the appearance of my truck. Easy to install, took about an hour, and they really improved the lighting and look of my truck. Number 2. DNA Motoring HL08P C1094 BK AM. It fits a variety of Chevy trucks and SUVs, from 1994 to 2000. Check the compatibility list to see if it works with your vehicle. They use standard 9005 high and 9006 low beam bulbs, and 2357A turn signals. Replacement bulbs are easy to find. The package includes headlights, bumper lights, and corner lights for both the driver and passenger sides. Everything you need for a complete upgrade. These are built to last with high-quality ABS plastic housings and polycarbonate lenses. They're designed for durability and long-lasting performance. Installation is simple and straightforward. It's a direct bolt-on replacement. No modifications are needed. Give your classic Chevy a modern and stylish upgrade. These lights will transform the look of your truck or SUV. What we like. These headlights offer a unique look with their black and amber design. They're easy to install and designed for a direct fit. If you want to add a custom touch to your truck, these are a great option. What people say. I've had these for a couple years and they still look amazing, no problems and no moisture in them. Came in packaged well, nice clean product, truck looks great, everything mounts very nicely. These headlight assemblies were easy to install. The mounting plate on the back of the lights are metal, so they're better than OEM's brittle plastic. The lenses are clear and the light is far brighter than the originals I replaced. Number 1. CHEDA headlights for GMC trucks. Give your GMC truck a stunning new look with these CHEDA headlights. They're designed to perfectly fit your vehicle and enhance its style. These headlights are compatible with 1994 to 1998 GMC CK1500, 2500, Sierra, Yukon, and Suburban models. Please note, they do not fit Chevy models. The part numbers are GM2502101 and GM2503101. These are direct replacements for your existing headlights. Enhance your off-road experience with our selection of accessories, from entry guards and floor liners to snorkel kits and antennas. Customize your truck to perfection. Our entry guards are custom designed for a precise fit, protecting your truck's interior and adding a touch of rugged style. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll help you resolve them quickly. What we like. These headlights provide a clean, classic look with their clear lens and chrome housing. They're designed to be a direct replacement for your original headlights. If you prefer a sleek, factory-style upgrade, these are a great choice. What people say. Easy to install and they look great. Fits perfect, works perfect. You need to trim a little but they look nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.